Hello from Slovenia again. So this is the next experiment with layering colors differently for the straight, jiggle, feathery, pour. I still have the same colors: pearl white, black, gold and copper, and today the bottom will be my pearl white because I want to see how this will work, what I have here. And I will add black next to it, and then copper and gold, and I will go with pearl white again, and probably this one will be the last one with this color palette because I almost used the colors, all of them. So maybe you can suggest some color palette, or maybe the technique that we can try with different layering of the paint to see the difference. And like I did in my previous ones, I will use my MDF board that I painted white with white acrylic paint. So all the same except layering, and I will add some pearl white on the bottom. Okay, so let's do that. I will go just straight jiggles. Let's do a little bigger ones this time. Okie doke. And I will do some racking for kind of a feathery effects. Yeah. I will just use this pearl white that I have left in my cup to wet not the canvas. You can do this on canvas, it doesn't make a difference, you know. I just have these MDF boards and I like to use them for some experiments. And then you see this effects from pearl white. It will definitely be the brighter one. And for those who don't know, my pearl white mixture is Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white and pouring medium. And that create this effect. Let's go over here. This corner. think that I'm not a big fan of that white on the bottom. Because I didn't get that middle with kind of a negative space almost that you can rest your eye on, and I'm not a fan of this composition either. So let's see if we can do something with that. Try to go over the edge with this line because I really don't like it. Okay. I like this part very much, so I will try to focus to keep some of that there, so that's why I'm trying to go with this part like over the edge. Okie doke, much better I think. Now I will go a little more back to the middle with this. Okay, and because here is pearl white underneath, I don't like this part at all. Let me just grab some color. Try to just go a little over this part here. Do one spin. Doesn't cover this part. See, I will go a little more to this side because I want this part to go off if I can. A little more and it should be okay. Just a little more. I'm done. Okie doke. I like that composition now. I like how this black, gold and copper created this darker part. Because of this pearl white in the middle, I have a lot of lighter tones here. So yeah. Let me take you down for a close-up. So here she is wet. You see this part here? I love that. And here are those fluffy parts because of the pearl white. Sorry for the glare. We have such a foggy, dark days. Love that part here too, and here with that transparency of pearl white, and I like it now. I was kind of wasn't happy with the composition, but I think that now it looks okay. Maybe I should even tilt it a little more of this off, but it's okay now. Like this contrast here with those clouds next to the kind of sky, in my opinion. So yeah, I like this one, but I'm not sure if the pearl white on the bottom is the best idea for this, or cloud mix, or whatever you use for these effects. So stay tuned for the dried results. I can't wait to see it dry. So here they are, all 5 of them. Let's go through them kind of quickly. So the first 2 are with gold on the bottom, so you get kind of what will be on the bottom is your negative space, kind of. Here I have pearl white next to gold, and then copper, and then black. Here I have gold, black, copper, and pearl white. The difference is that, you see, the second color so definitely makes a difference, and those 2 are definitely not my favorite ones. So let's go to the third one that I have black for on the top for having, you know, and I added black, copper, pearl white, and gold, and gold is kind of lost because of that. You see, there is copper that it's more dominant, and to my favorite one that was black, pearl white, gold, and copper. I like this one the most because black and pearl white get kind of dominant, and you have some accent with gold and copper. Not see a lot of copper, but yeah, I like it because it's kind of mixed with gold, and it's just get a little darker. And the last one with pearl white on bottom, definitely the most fluffy one because of the pearl white. And as I said already, you can use satin enamel mix, cloud mix. This one is beautiful too. I really like this part here with some copper, gold, and black with some cells from the pearl mixture. So you see, same color palette, but very, very different final results. So the answer, if layering of the colors really matter, yeah. So if you see some poor and you just say, okay, I will use those colors, if you will layer them differently, you will get definitely very different result. And for the bottom part, the thing I really like the black, because you get some more depth than with the gold one. This is just my opinion. if I would do copper here, it will be probably kind of the same, so I will not bother you with all the possibilities, all the different because it would be a lot to do all possible combinations, but I hope that you see that there is a difference, and that if you like something, if you like a pour that you see, the order is important too. So this is it from this series, and I can't wait to show you the next series beginning on Monday. Have a nice weekend and see you again on Monday. Bye!